Back home. Last vlog we were on a cruise, and today I'm making my own breakfast instead of it being made for me. This is ghetto. I want out. My eczema was so much better from the beaches and all the salt water, and I got such a bad allergic reaction when we got back to the States yesterday. It was pretty bad. I had hives everywhere. So I think that means we need to move to Aruba. I'll break it to my husband later. The plans for today is to rest, minus some accounting work I have. See, I didn't have eczema on my eyebrows on this trip. So I guess I'm not really truly relaxing. Maybe we'll play some games, maybe we'll stream. My chives don't look any better. Back to homesteading and whatever else we got. Oh, we have a sandblaster. Check this out. Dang, she's cute. Look at her. Oh my goodness. So we can start sandblasting on glass. I used etching cream. I think I already showed you the glass I did in the one vlog. I think we all caught COVID. My husband's in bed and my daughter missed school yesterday because of it. But I think I'm getting better. The water has been backing up for weeks, so they're outside right now trying to fix it.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
We are being country again. I am dehydrating more onions. Also, I made buckwheat muffins. God, they even stink. What happened was, I used baking soda instead of baking powder, and you can taste it. Like, it's obvious. But we've got the big round ones I'm gonna do into a powder, and I have minced onions in here that I'm gonna do to, well, minced onions.
Wow.
These are going in the trash. I need more of the flat things to put the buckwheat on. It's being used by onions, but when that's done, I'm going to dehydrate more I guess I could do it in the oven. I'm going to dehydrate more buckwheat so that I can try the muffins again. We were able to fix the drain. I don't really know what's going on here, but it's not clogged anymore. We're gonna come see what the boys are doing because I'm a little stuck at work right now. How's it going?
Got it, man.
This grass is so tall, it feels like I'm in Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Look at this. But it's because the lawnmower has been broken. It's like a jungle. I have a dress on, so I'm not even gonna go back there. I was gonna go look at my fire pit to see how it is, see if the ants have taken over, because we haven't used it in a few months. But I'll check it after he's done cutting the grass, if they can get that fixed. First it was the belt, they replaced the belt. Then it was something else, they replaced that. And now this is the third part that they're putting into the lawnmower. We used the pepper that was on this one, but the other two are still here. This one is looking a little sad though. My garlic, also sad. Jalapenos, slightly sad as well. Good news is, it turned on. Bad news, it keeps shutting off. I'm about to do the onion powder in both trays. Just gonna use this magic bullet. Crispity crunch. Crispity crunch. Oh, Christmas tree. Ooh, now it's like sand. Oh, there's still a couple pieces in there. Those 2 dang pieces. Blend. We ain't got the, where's my other onion powder? Jar. Paper towels are missing, guys. Paper towels are missing. It'll probably be a smart idea to use a funnel was the word I was looking for. It smells like onion powder baby food, and I really don't know how much else to explain it besides what I just did. Get in there. Do I need a better mixer? I was just eating. So Scott saw on Facebook that you can see the northern lights. We're gonna go check. So they said to just take a picture of the sky because cameras can capture things.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Red. It's black.
I guess it's the way they take pictures for Android and iPhone, but mine comes out purple. It's been about 2 weeks since the cruise and life has just been boring. I did dehydrate onions though. I'm sweating so bad. We're cleaning a pool right now. I was out there helping. Now I'm in here also helping. You're doing a great job, babe. You're doing great. So you gotta be encouraging.